Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, November the 28th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. So there's a lot of puzzles. And tomorrow we have another day. Alright. This one, number 9671. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. There's a lot of 5s. How about the 5 in the third row? 5 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place level 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3, no need to place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, need a 5 there, well, cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about, need a 7 there. How about the 2? How about the 3 in the last column? 3 in the column next. So that column now need 2 places. Level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Well. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 2. And we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2. Okay. Interesting. Need an 8 here. Nope. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes in there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Yeah. 4. Need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 7, need a 7 here. Alright. 179. Okay. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Okay. Well, I'm stuck right now. Need an 8 here or there. And I need... Well. 6, 9, and a 4. 6, 9, and a 4. Come on. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Yeah, so we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places level 6. Could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those boxes in this column. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a E. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Well, need a 9 there. 1, 2, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 1. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need 8 here. How about let me put some numbers here. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places level 7, could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. And we need a 3 there, okay. 7. How about here? The 7 could be everywhere. Come on. Interesting. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. In the middle column, the only 2 places level 2. Could be here, could be there. Now, we need a 2 in this row. Yep, we need a 2 in this row. Well, here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row are both. The only 2 places level 7 could be here, could be there. Here we have 7, here we have 7. That means in this column the 7 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Together with the 6, we have a pair, 7 and 6. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes, 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so no row between. The second row, the only place left with 8. Should be there. And if eliminated here, the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Here we have 2 numbers left. In the second row, the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I've eliminated here the 7, so here 1 box left for the 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 9. Should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left for 6 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then, let me see. 8 or 9, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 9. 8 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row. Last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places level 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 3 and 2, 3 and 2. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.